So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add Judge Me to Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to shopify.com. Through there you will see Shopify. You can see home, orders, products, customers, discounts, analytics, online store, ad, as well as settings at the bottom. You can see some other features as well. Now through here you will need to go to add. And once you're here, you will see some featured apps. You will need to scroll a bit down, go to Shopify App Store, and you will need to go to the search bar right here and put in Judge Me, and you can see here Judge Me Product Reviews app. So let's use the search, and you can see the best match will be Judge Me Product Reviews app. Click on this. You can see there's a lot of downloads already, and you can see the option to install. Click on the install. You can even see the demo in store. It will look something like this. Once you click on install, you're going to be taken back to this option, and from there go to your online store, which will open up this drop down for themes, pages, and preferences. Go to themes, and from there you can see your theme library, and you can choose the embed. But first click on customize. From the customize option, you can see the option app embeds. Through here, you will see the app that was downloaded to your Shopify page, and you can see then Judge Me will be one of these, and click on embed to add it to your page. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.